personality here, and it's my privilege to introduce a CEO by profession, who is a CEO by profession, a women empowerment enthusiast, and a mentor. Her performance and experience with academia and corporate mark the beginning of her venture Aurea. Today, being the CEO of her successful venture, she have laid her hands on human resource management, training, marketing, and information technology. She has over 14 plus years of experience in the corporate industry, including construction, real estate, architecture, consultancy as a civil engineer and a project manager. Starting her career as a head of sales and marketing to general manager sales gave her a wide expertise on marketing domain. The collaborative experience led to the entrepreneurship saga Aurea. Currently, she is the CEO of Aurea, Aurea Soul, and Chief Marketing Officer of FlexiCloud. Talking about her expertise in training, she believes in creating system that's productive and does betterment personally, professionally, and socially. She has taken 50 plus workshops on corporate etiquettes, entrepreneurship training, employability skills, and HR hacks. She believes that everything can be achieved like the saying of Paulo Coelho. And when you want something, the entire universe conspires in helping you achieve it. With this note, I would like to invite our speaker, Anuja Bashir, over to the dais. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much for those motivating words. Thank you so much. It was very much motivating.
So we have we have an announcement. You will be hearing a short buzzer prior to 5 minutes of the session, and a long buzzer exactly at the end of the session, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Over to you. Thank you.
Allowed it. Yeah. Hi. Hello there. Hi, everybody. I'm also excited, like all of y'all. I know it is a very great platform. I have been a speaker a number of times, but this is quite a different one because I'm sharing this platform with so many eminent speakers who are kind of great entrepreneurs. Even some are my idols. So yeah, I'm seriously looking forward. So I would like to go for an interactive session more than me being a one-sided radio and get you bored. Yeah, because I believe in energy kind of things. Let's start with energy.
Yes, ma'am. So we have a couple of questions for you. Okay. So participants, meanwhile, if you have any questions from ma'am, you can always post it in the chat box. We'll be taking 1 or 2 questions from the chat list as well. So as this is a Kerala conference, most of the questions will be asked in Malayalam, ma'am. Is that okay?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, okay.
Well versed with Malayalam. Malayalam can alone ariyam, but usually I take workshops in English. I usually use Nigantu Malayalam, so that better English is good. But yeah, I can talk. No worries.
So for the convenience of participants, I'll be asking in Malayalam. You can reply in both the language, ma'am.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah, thank you. So, this is Kerala is orthodox society. Woman orthodox society mainly. So, from a woman orthodox society to becoming an entrepreneur is a very big task. So, ma'am, challenges like we would definitely love to hear that. It will be an inspiration for many people who are attending this workshop, like session. Yeah.
Okay. That is a real question. Yeah, like you said, Kerala is an orthodox kind of society. I myself come from an Islamic society. Yeah, but my people are quite broad-minded. But again, the problem is that not because the society is like that. I journey, I call it sweet because I have reached this point where I call it sweet. But when I traveled it was not at all sweet. See, ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കലും ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന അവസ്ഥയിൽ ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കലും പറയത്തില്ല വുമൺ entrepreneurship or men അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പരിപാടി ഇല്ല. There's only entrepreneurship. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഓഫീസിൽ തന്നെ പറയാറുള്ള ആദ്യത്തെ കാര്യം we are professionals here. No gender discrimination like your women. See, നമ്മളിവിടെ വുമനെ പ്രൊമോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അവർക്ക് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് അത്രയും കിട്ടുന്നില്ല because of like you said the society. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. അല്ലാതെ it is not being feminist we ask this.
Yes,
See,
yes.
I am a person completely, I say that if men were not there, trust me, there would not have been women entrepreneurship. Actually, it's a combination of the knowledge both the species share. So it is like, there are so many men in my life who taught me so many things. So it's all about individuals. I would call as individuals. To start with, I would call that woman entrepreneurship in the it is on നമ്മുടെ സൊസൈറ്റി അതിനെ അങ്ങനെ അതൊരു ക്ലീശയായി മാറിയിട്ട്. സോ ഇനി എന്റെ ജേർണി ട്രസ്റ്റ് മീ ഐ നെവർ ചോസ് ഓൺടർപ്രണർഷിപ്പ്. ഞാൻ entrepreneurship-നെ കുറിച്ച് when I started it in 2013, I never knew what is called entrepreneurship. ഇന്നിപ്പോ ഇത്രയും Dr. Sahil, I must say, his session was very informative. I also do something similar kind of, I mean, little bit of kind of, because I love this. If a concept of, transforming people, I love that. And the core profession in the Paranjal, it has been changed. But training and HR workshops, in spite of the busy schedule, it is something which I love, because to transform a person, it really requires a hell lot of, like you said, energy, time, and you need to really understand what exactly they need. Understanding so in the journey started, actually I'll tell you a bit of my background. Like you said, I'm a civil engineer, nothing to do with what I do now. I'm a interior consultancy or so that core you, as many of you all know, engineers engineers don't do what they learn. That has become a cliche nowadays. Engineers because our passion, engineering engineers are capable of doing anything, because they're open to. I'm sure most of the people out sitting there would totally agree with me. I'm an engineer I'm a BTech 2002 from a very famous college, Goosebumps, MAIS, Marathnicious College of Engineering, Kodamangal. I BTech pass. Then after that I went to Dubai. I got a job because I used to talk good at that time. My English also was good. Job technically high qualified. I'm just
communication skills.
Honest mind, it does not affect people, but it is true. Corporates 100% mark, 80% you need 75%. Even when there is backlog, they are not
bothered about it.
It is all about how much you know, what is the talent you got. So I was a good presenter that time also, so I got a nice sneak peek in. But again, then what happened was that I got married after that. Like every family, I got married at the age of 22, and then but my profession was very much I was very keen into it, because my mother was very much like you said, that question, my entrepreneurship saga, I would say the first credit goes to my mother, because she imbibed that thought in my mind. You need to be a good professional, because you studied, you should not waste your career. Because she studied medicine, but she could not get into a career because of the fact that my father was a bureaucrat and she couldn't look after children. So she was always supportive. Even after my marriage also, my husband and his family also was very supportive professionally. 10 years, 10 years after 10 years, I felt of pursuing my masters. dream Indian I lost the touch of that BTech, because all the way we got into the industry. The problem was that I got into college. I got into Talkish College of Engineering. That was a real experience, because I was never a kind of typical teacher, not at all a conventional type of teacher. I was, because I come from corporate, so I had my own methods. I was like kind of, you can shoot. Okay, so typically not the theory teacher. I would not take class. If you ask any of my students, I'm an assistant professor also. I've worked in many colleges like Talkech, KMEA, then ICT, Ilahia College of Engineering. So Srinarayana, I've worked many men. So I've got so many students. So all of them would say in one single word, they call me Miss. So Miss Oriculum conventional teacher, because I never wanted it. It was never my career. But my family also was into this 9 to 4 thing now. Like you said, society.
Yes.
Society. Yeah, so I got into it, and today's generation has got so much spark. Unlike our generation, the difference, like the energy, the concept. So I got into the, trust me, that young's blood got into me also. I was also very excited with the programs, with all this stuff. I had a friend who was a colleague of mine, a teacher also. She wanted to start an HR consultancy. So we eventually clubbed up together, and we made an HR consultancy. I was a co-founder too, but eventually because of ideology differences, we split up. അങ്ങനെയാണ് 2013 I started Oria. But trust me, I have no idea of what entrepreneurship is. But Dr. Sahil Parnjola, you have so many theories, you have so many people coming across talking. That time it was not there. 2013, nothing was there like this. So I come from I come from abroad. The Kerala society, I am unaware of anything about it. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ I had really, like you told, no, I really got a wonderful everything I had. Besides, my family also was not so happy with me because I got a good job, earning pretty much good, and I'm getting into too much, by the time I had kids, everything. So I had my time, a serious, what do you call, the rough time. So, and my father, since he was a bureaucrat, he was like the bureaucrat. He was an ex-corporation commissioner of Cochin. His name is C. Bashir. So he is like the man. Even now I am terrified of this the call my father. So he eventually closed up in business because of the fact that he wanted me to, because the entrepreneurship was not that cup of tea that time. But even right now, my family, entire family encourages me. But that time, it was not like that. That is what again the so-called society comes there, because this is not what is accepted by the society. So I really had my up and down. I lost financially. I lost a lot of money, but my dreams were still on. I was not active, but again at the same time I was not passive. This is something which I want to inspire all of you also. Never give up your dreams. Never ever give up, because you can keep it a low profile, but wait for the right time, right opportunity, hit it. You will get it. That is why you said no, Paulo Coelho. Yeah, I just believe it. See, the intense crave, you have it, the universe will conspire. It is not because you dream it. It is because you try everything, anything and everything for it, so that it comes to that point. Like Madam Mary Curie said, you have to kill it what kills you. So I had financial, I got demotivated. My friends, seriously, when you become successful or when you make a mark, no. See, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നീല ആദ്യത്തെ മൂന്നിൽ ആരാണ് ആദ്യം സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ചെയ്തെന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുള്ളൂ. Do you know the second person? No. ഇല്ലേ? Because who is the first person to land on moon? അതാണ് question. അതുപോലെ സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ഓൺടർപ്രണേഴ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ. See, it does not പക്ഷെ എന്താ പ്രശ്നം വെച്ചത്, difference between those people and this people is that they never gave up. Yes. Continued, tried, and eventually അത് തന്നെയാണ് പോലൊക്കെ വന്നത്. You should keep on trying until it gets you. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ അവിടെ I then got into ഇത് നല്ല നന്നായി ലൈക്ക് the college slang നന്നായി പണി കിട്ടി. അതിനുശേഷം I got into college, ICT Ilahia, where I was a IDC cluster. അവിടെ എൻ്റെ entrepreneurship help ചെയ്തത്, because I was the only IDC cluster head. We have a entrepreneurship boot camp. 14 cluster members. I was the only female member. That gave me a high mileage, where I learned entrepreneurship then and there. I was trained when you all trained, when those that time, അവർ എപ്പോഴാണോ 2016 entrepreneurship പഠിച്ച ആ ബൂട്ട് ക്യാമ്പിൽ ഞാൻ ആ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന്റെ കൂടെയാണ് പഠിച്ചത് ഇത് എന്താണ് ഈ സാധനം. That time I understood that any product can be made into a business if you have the right strategy, right? It's all about implementation. നമുക്ക് ഐഡിയ കിട്ടിയിട്ട് മാത്രം കാര്യമില്ല, പിന്നെ ഞാൻ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പഠിച്ച ജേർണി, ലൈക്ക് ഓൺടർപ്രണർഷിപ്പ് ജേർണിയിൽ പഠിച്ചൊരു കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, അപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ച എല്ലാം മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ രണ്ടാമത് കൊണ്ട് ഐഡിയ ആക്കി ഇംപ്ലിമെന്റ് ചെയ്ത്, സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈം ഓൾസോ then I learned it. I got into marketing because I was good at what I was a good marketer. Somewhere something told me that I could convince, I could get into heads. So I slowly got into marketing, because marketing is not a theory. It is not Dr. Sahil Panetta mentioned it. See, many things which I want to tell, he has mentioned it. So I would put that part. Marketing is not a theory, basically. It is actually, because in marketing, see, people are technology and we are dealing with the machine. But in marketing, we are dealing with humans. We are dealing with actually minds. So our mindset depends upon each individual. Other strategy. So അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ ഒരു സ്ട്രാറ്റജിസ്റ്റ് ആയത്. I would say even manipulation is a strategy, but a negative strategy. So but നമുക്ക് എല്ലാ സ്ട്രാറ്റജിയും അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം, because the world is like that. An entrepreneur should know everything. Whether he does it or not, that is different. But again, it's kind of like I was a marketing manager. Then I became head of sales and marketing. Then eventually I understood that our time I had a lot of entrepreneur friends where I understood that, yeah, if they can do it, I surely can do it, because itrem experience equal. Again, I got into it, and then eventually it started. Padika. But this time I was very, when I ended business model, people say that you should concentrate only in one thing. Trust me, the model was like you mentioned, no, marketing, HR, training, IT. Yeah, 2013 years generated.
Okay.
It took me 7 years to implement what I wanted, because, like I said, right ambience, right people. I worked with so many people. Thanks to my partners, Mr. Vinod Chako and Naman Modi, my IT strength. If they were not there, trust me, my IT would. Either company can IT
അതാണല്ലോ ബാക്ക് ബോൺ.
നല്ലൊരു ഫിനാൻസ് മാനേജ്മെന്റും നല്ലൊരു IT നല്ലൊരു മാർക്കറ്റും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ entrepreneurship is the success, and a right marketing strategy. This is what my theory stays. അങ്ങനെ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഒരു ഫൈനലി ലൈക്ക് യു നോ, ആസ് യു സി, ഇന്നിപ്പോ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ വെച്ച് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ സംസാരിക്കാനുള്ള പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൽ entrepreneurship, the journey took me, though it was not a better process, but yeah, and now my family, my kids, everybody supports me, kind of, because they know that, because I proved it. I went against the normal cliches. I went the norms in and tetichu, coming from a society which would not approve that. Like you said, the society, I made a theory of my own and I proved it. Like everybody said, you can focus only one thing at a time. I have focused on many things because I'm a woman, I'm an organizer. We learn from our mothers, we can organize everything. So that's it.
പൗല കൊയ്ലോയുടെ വാക്കുകൾ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്ന മാം, എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇത്രയും സ്ട്രഗിൾസ് ജീവിതത്തിൽ നേരിട്ടു, എന്നിട്ട് ഇപ്പൊ അത് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തേക്കാണ്. നമുക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ആഗ്രഹം തീവ്രമായിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദ എൻറ്റയർ യൂണിവേഴ്സ് ഇസ് സപ്പോർട്ടിങ് ഹെർ നൗ. സോ ഇത് ഒരു വലിയൊരു ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ആണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ മാം ഇവിടെ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഒരുപാട് എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സ്, ഞാനും ഉണ്ട് എഞ്ചിനീയർ ആയിട്ട്. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഞാൻ പലപ്പോഴും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഒരു എഞ്ചിനീയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരിക്കൽ പോലും അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഒരിക്കലെങ്കിലും അവർ ക്വിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ബിസിനസ് ചെയ്താലോ എന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കാറുണ്ട്. അതൊരു മീൻസ് എന്താ,
അതാണ് കാര്യം. എന്താ പറയുക, യു ആർ ഓപ്പൺ ടു
എവറിത്തിങ് ഫ്ലെക്സിബിലിറ്റി
ഡോക്ടറിനെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
പറ്റില്ല.
എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ആദ്യത്തെ കാര്യം എന്താണ്, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ ഈ അവസ്ഥയിലാണ് പഠിച്ചത്. ബിക്കോസ് ഐ ടോട്ട് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഐ വാസ് എൻ എഞ്ചിനീയർ, I have so many associate engineers. I understood one simple theory. Engineering is basically a strategy. You apply it, application and engineering. But in the education system, adine alla ideyadu. It is not job oriented. Avadeyanu namakku change cheyandadu.
Yes. Okay, so ഞങ്ങൾ മാമിന്റെ പേഴ്സണൽ ലൈഫിലെ സ്ട്രഗിൾസും മാം എങ്ങനെ ഓവർകം ചെയ്തു, ആ ഇൻസ്പയറിംഗ് സ്റ്റോറി ഞങ്ങൾ കേട്ടു. സോ നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു കോവിഡ് കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ, ഈ മഹാമാരിയുടെ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഒരുപാട് മീൻസ് ബിസിനസ് പരമായിട്ട് നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരുപാട് ബിസിനസ്സിനൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടായി. സോ മാമിന്റെ ബിസിനസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാമിന്റെ കമ്പനി അതിനെ എങ്ങനെയാണോ ഓവർകം ചെയ്തത്?
ഭയങ്കര ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിട്ട്, especially related to something which we are facing right now. Definitely, like every other company or every other organization, we also tasted it. But the thing is that it is the perspective we had. See, that is the experience which I got from entrepreneurship. Okay, even ഇത്രയും നാളായില്ലേ, ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് ഇത് കണ്ടല്ലോ, ഈ അപ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഡൗൺസ് കണ്ടത് കാരണം അന്നേരം എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായത്, see, we need to take a different strategy, because COVID was something which was like
unexpected.
Anticipate ചെയ്യാൻ പോലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്ത ഒരു കാര്യം. You know what, I would take this opportunity to thank my entire team Oria. Like I've got another company, FlexiClear also. Both my verticals literally helped me. You know what, I have literally screwed them every day. I fired them. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ പലരും കരഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്, because I was so much into it. ഞാൻ ഇതിനെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തു, സ്ട്രാറ്റജൈസ് ചെയ്തു. ഞങ്ങൾ ബ്രാൻഡിങ് വെർട്ടിക്കൽ ഞങ്ങളപ്പോൾ തുടങ്ങി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട്, പക്ഷെ ആ ബ്രാൻഡിങ് ലിറ്ററലി വെന്റ് ഓഫ് സോ ഗുഡ്. ഞങ്ങൾ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ശരിക്കും 50 ബ്രാൻഡിനെ ബ്രാൻഡ് ചെയ്തത്.
So it was a blessing for you.
Actually, to be very honest, you won't believe it, sweetheart, I made most of my revenue post-COVID.
So happy to hear that.
That's what most of the work, you know, these type of conferences I attend, everybody is like shocked. How did you all do it? Because like I said, no, the team, we really took that time. We toiled day and night. We went at home late. Like I said, my people there was no discrimination between girl or a boy. Every single person Okay, we had so many came, so many went, hired, fired, but there were people who really understood my ideologies and stood by me. So I think we did it great, and thanks to my team for that. And my partners, Vinod and Naman. We did
Okay.
it great.
So like we have a couple of minutes for winding up the session. So ഒരു ഷോർട്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കൂടെ ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഓറിയ കമ്പനി എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫ്രഷേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കരിയർ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി?
അതാണ് നമ്മളുടെ മെയിൻ ടോപ്പിക്. ആക്ച്വലി അതിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞില്ല ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ഷോർട്ടേജ് ഓഫ് ടൈം. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു ലൈക്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ പ്രോഗ്രാം ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബിക്കോസ് ലൈക്ക് യു സെഡ് വി ഹാഡ് എൻ HR കമ്പനി ഓൾസോ. ഈ കമ്പനിയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഫ്രഷേഴ്സിനെ റിക്രൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത്, മൈ കമ്പനി മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദം ആർ ഫ്രഷേഴ്സ്. അപ്പോൾ ബിക്കോസ് ഐ പ്രിഫർ ഫ്രഷേഴ്സ് because very clean and it is easy to teach them, and they are very susceptible to learning process too. So ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരുപാട് പേര് എടുത്ത് ഞങ്ങൾ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ we also place people outside. So I've got so many associates where we have got associate company where it's easy to place also. So unfortunately the thing happened is that most of them were not satisfied with these resources. So I understood what is the problem. See, if you take engineers only, if you take any education system, you will find that some people are talented but they cannot speak. Communication is like പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് മലയാളം മീഡിയത്തിൽ വരുന്ന കുട്ടിയും ഒരു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഹൈഫൈഡ് സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന കുട്ടിയും ഹൈലി ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആണ്. കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ഇല്ല അവർക്ക്. ചില ആൾക്കാർക്ക് കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ഭയങ്കര, ടെക്നിക്കലി അവർക്ക് ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ഇനി അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സൈക്കോളജിക്കലി സ്ട്രെസ് എടുക്കാൻ ഇന്നത്തെ സൊസൈറ്റി ഇസ് നോട്ട് കേപ്പബിൾ. ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട് ഐ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്. You have been feeded with everything. In our we are not supported by system. When there is no choice other than being strong, you become strong. But this society of kids, the new young generation, what we call as the Gen Zs, they can't take the stress. So we developed a module called LIFES, Learning Innovative Key Employment Skills, which includes of 5 tattva called Panchatattva theory of life, professionals. So according to that, the first is Earth. Analogy, Earth. Earth means knowledge. You have to have the base knowledge. So what we do is that from the core what you studied, we actually tell you to take a short of 3 to 6 months course where you understand in deep, where like Dr. Sahil has already mentioned few steps which we do kind of stuffs like that. We train them on that particular aspect of what they are into with their core. Combined with fire is called as passion, which is always kind of like passion, fire. So we do psychometric analysis where we understand which stream they are into, what is their passion. Accordingly we figure out we put them into, if marketing, if IT likewise. Communication, air, that basically air is like spread. Whatever you communicate, it should go out. So it's walk. So what we do is accordingly we give programs on at least basic English where they understand and where they talk back. We give courses on that. Now the fourth one is basically motivational or water. The fourth one is water. We know water is a dilution thing. So like that, if you have stress, we give motivation. We bring in mentors. We come up with people who tell that we have gone through all these things, but it's okay to be abnormal. That's nothing. There's no wrong in it. You have to be like that because this world's demanded. So we give them motivational training by which they have a confidence in them. At least they can do it. So that actually helps them a lot. And the fifth one is basically the sky, the fifth element, which wraps up everything, which is called the image consultancy, where we teach them about corporate attire, which Doc also was saying. We teach them how to dress up, how to talk, how to pleasantly interact with people, how to get into a real corporate where, even this is applicable for, either you can become good professional or an entrepreneur. But for both things, these 5 things are essential. And like you tell me, if you become an entrepreneur or you are the employer of a company, if a common person come to you, and if a person who has studied this program, what I call as the likes, because it covers everything, every branch comes to you, who would you choose?
The one who have studied this course, exactly, because he have that right skill set. എനിക്ക് അറിയില്ലായിരുന്നു പഞ്ചതത്വയ്ക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വേർഷൻ ഉണ്ടെന്ന്. Okay. That's up to you, ma'am.
Strategist ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ഞാനൊരു മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് സ്ട്രാറ്റജിസ്റ്റ് കൂടിയാണ്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്ന എപ്പോഴും കഥകളിലൂടെയാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അനലോഗി കൂടിയാണ്. ആ പഞ്ചതത്വം പറഞ്ഞപ്പോ നോക്കിക്കോ, 5 എലമെന്റ്സ് എന്ത് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് അത് മനസ്സിലായി. ബിക്കോസ് തിയറി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ലൈഫിന് ഒരു ഹ്യൂമൻ ബോഡി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന 5 എലമെന്റ് ആണിത്. ഒരു
അതെ.
പ്രൊഫഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന 5 എലമെന്റ്സ് ആണിത്. ഇത് എന്റെ കരിയറിലും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പോയ വ്യക്തികൾ, അസോസിയേറ്റ്സ്, ഞാൻ എന്റെ ജേർണിയിൽ പഠിച്ച ഒരു തിയറി ഞാൻ അതിനെ ഒരു മോഡൽ ആക്കി ഒരു ലൈക്സ് എന്ന പ്രോഗ്രാം, ലേണിംഗ് ലൈക്സ്, I made it likes because there is something which is happening called FB likes. So I put it likes and I expanded. It's called learning innovative key employment skills. So
Okay.
I am looking forward for freshers, and I implemented it in this company, my own company. I am implemented in my other company, FlexiCloud, and we have trained people here. If you check, seriously, I'm talking about, if you want, you can take testimonials from our own staffs. We train them here. We have placed so many in our associate companies, in different companies, in corporates, after training them like this. So this has really worked. So I am talking on a theory which I conceptualized into implementation, which successfully worked.
സീരിയസ്ലി മാം, ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പഞ്ചതത്വ എന്നുള്ള ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കോൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിയില്ലായിരുന്നു. സീരിയസ്ലി ഇത് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു മൾട്ടിവേരിയസ് ഡൊമൈനിൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളതും സ്വന്തം ലൈഫ് തന്നെ പരീക്ഷിച്ച് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്ത ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ് നമ്മുടെ മുന്നിലിരിക്കുന്നത്. വെരി ഇൻസ്പയറിംഗ് പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റി. ആൻഡ് നമ്മുടെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സ് ഫുള്ള് ഇങ്ങനെ മീൻസ് overloaded with appreciations.
Thank you so much. Seriously, see, I believe in transformation. ഞാൻ ഈ സിസ്റ്റം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്, ഞാൻ ഈ ഓൺടർപ്രണർഷിപ്പിന്റെ, ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും പറയുന്നത് പൈസയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടില്ല. See, I come from a fair good family where money is there, but for me creating a system was important, because if I could transform one person's life, you know what, I will be known till them, okay, because you know that is an idol or a role model. Yes. Or maybe a person, a mentor, because ആ ഒരു ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും, how much ever you pay me, but a mental satisfaction which I give a person, can that satisfaction be to anything? So I created this system only for people to acknowledge. Nee paranjalla naale when you expire from this world, no, people would say, okay, she was different, she proved it. At least, like you said, there should be a number of me's coming up with new ideas. You should never fear, never come across even your own people. Everybody will demotivate. And I will quote one more Vijay's dialogue. I am a very great fan of Vijay. Vijay has said, എന്നെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വളർത്തിയത് ഡീമോട്ടിവേഷൻ ആണ്. ഡീമോട്ടിവേഷൻ വന്നപ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ അതിനെ ചാലഞ്ച് ചെയ്തത്, ബിക്കോസ് അതിന്റെ ഇന്റഗ്രിറ്റി, എന്റെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റിയെ ബാധിച്ചു. എനിക്ക് പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് അവർ പറഞ്ഞു. സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ ആ ക്യാരക്ടറാണ്. യു ചാലഞ്ച് മീ, ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് തിങ് ഐ വിൽ മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് എ വെർട്ടിക്കൽ ഓർ ഡൊമൈൻ. ഐ വിൽ മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആൻഡ് ഐ വിൽ വർക്ക് ഓൺ ടിൽ ദാറ്റ് പോയിന്റ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സക്സസ്ഫുൾ.
Prove your demotivators that they are wrong, alle.
Seriously, laugh them. You know what, I am taking this workshop, it gives me an immense pleasure, no, to show the other people. See, I don't have kind of anything with anybody who has demotivated me or who has said I was wrong, anything. I believe that, you know, including those people who motivated me as well as the people who demotivated me, they were both a part in creating the me who's sitting in front of you, the confident me. It came from മറ്റേ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ യൂണിവേഴ്സ് കോൺസ്പയറിംഗ്. എക്സാക്ട്ലി അതിന്റെ ടെസ്റ്റിമോണിയൽ ഞാനാണ്. ഞാൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഫോളോക്കളെ കാണുമ്പോൾ പറയും, നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞ ആ കാര്യത്തിന്റെ റിയൽ ലിവിംഗ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഞാൻ തന്നെയാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, സോ മീൻസ് പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ്, ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലൈഫിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഇതേപോലെ ഡീമോട്ടിവേറ്റേഴ്സോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രോബ്ലം ക്രിയേറ്റേഴ്സോ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാമിനെ പോലെ ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് തോട്ടിൽ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ആണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കി നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡ്രീംസിനെ ബിലീവ് ചെയ്ത് കോൺസ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക, മാമിനെ പോലെ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. അതാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു സെഷനിൽ നേടാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു ബ്ലെസ്സിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ലൈക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ മാം നല്ല ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ട് ജെൻഡർ ഇക്വിറ്റിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇപ്പൊ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ദിസ് ഇസ് വിമൻ എംപവർമെന്റ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ഓക്കെ ഓൺലി വിമൻ should be prioritized. Gender equity, that ma'am very beautifully you explained. And if anyone is interested to join Aurea Institute, she is a very well versed personality, having experience in multivarious domains. So this is the right person for you to join if you want anything related to your career. All the freshers and all the participants, I would request you to definitely follow her and join her company. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for so many freshers. We have got so many opportunities, vacancies. But like I said, we let them undergo through this program, so that, you know, I always believe that you shouldn't be beggars. You should be always choosers. So that for that, nammale talent is skilled aagam. I'm converting the talent into skill. I'm just grooming it. That's it.
So anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. ഈ എനർജിയും അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ ഒരു ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഉള്ളിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ഇരിക്കട്ടെ. ഈ ഒരു ഫയർ ആയിട്ട് അത് ഇങ്ങനെ മീൻസ് ഉള്ളിൽ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ജീവിതത്തിൽ മാറ്റം ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ എന്നുള്ള പ്രാർത്ഥനയോടെ, മാം, we have a e-certificate for you as a token of honor. I would request my technical team to display the e-certificate from 3G School of Applied Entrepreneurship.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful. It was an honor to participate in this such a beautiful platform where so many eminent speakers, and besides that, like you said, so many wonderful students. Yeah, but like, engineering students are always a kind of that feel for me, because I myself was a mentor, a teacher to them. It's kind of good to see you people coming up with new ideas, change makers, as I call them. So all the best to everybody, and I'm seriously, whatever I have told, if it has inspired you a little bit, it would be a great thing for me. Thank you.
Definitely, it is an inspiration, ma'am. Our comment box is overloaded with all the messages. Again, thank you so much. This is a certificate for you, and it will be mailed to you as well.
Definitely do check the comment boxes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah. Have a great day, and rise up. Take the world. That's it. Thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Join the mission, build India to serve. Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission and build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.